and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories full sheet directory sign. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts dropdown, we will select Full Sheet. From there, we'll click the Print Information button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, please see the how-to videos listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. Once your PDF file has generated, you'll want to review the document to make sure that everything has uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies that we'll print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and landscape. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that documents and paper page size match in both width and height. From there, we'll go into the advanced properties. Down below, we'll want to make sure that the document size and orientation match the options that we chose earlier. Next, we'll choose the color ink. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, and this will always be set to thick 1 to ensure that the ink will stay on the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your template here and hitting OK. Once you've done this, you will create a shortcut for future use. When you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.